Our goal has always been to make 3D printing fun and accessible for everyone, and to make products that are a launchpad for your imagination, turning any one of your bright ideas into a physical reality. With its versatile full-feature set, the Robo C2 compact smart 3D printer with Wi-Fi gives makers of all skill levels and backgrounds the freedom to create high-quality 3D prints for a wide range of personal and professional projects.
The Robo R2 high-performance smart 3D printer with Wi-Fi is larger in size with a more robust feature set that gives serious results-driven makers the ability to tackle large-scale 3D prints for a wide range of professional-grade projects. Powering your 3D printing experience with Robo C2 and Robo R2 is the Robo app, which gives you controlled precision right from your mobile device. Plus, it offers an array of more impressive functionality. Whether you're printing at home, in the workplace, or in the classroom, rest assured, we're ready to bring your ideas to life. Because when you have the tool that makes it all happen, there is no limit to what you can make next.
This is Toybox, a kid-friendly, easy-to-use 3D printer. Browse through the ever-expanding Toybox library filled with hundreds of creatures and contraptions. Customize the toys to expand your already impressive collection for a more immersive playtime experience. You can even draw your very own unique creations. Hit print, watch it go, put it together, and share your creation. It's that easy. Toybox has what you need to create an epic school project, complete with all the details to impress your classmates. Imagination taking over? Upload your own files directly to Toybox and complete your biggest achievements yet, like your very own pinball machine. Toybox. It's a bottomless treasure trove filled with toys and kids' creative potential.
We believe in empowering kids with the tools to create amazing things. That's why we created a 3D printer that can be set up in 5 minutes and requires no training. The plastic is biodegradable and non-toxic, so it's completely safe to use. With your support, you'll not only bring a Toybox into your home, you'll also be inspiring the next generation of young and creative minds.
Kid-friendly, easy to use, limitless possibilities. Toybox.
3D printers are either expensive or don't match the quality standards to make the true beauty of your design real. Now there is a solution. Introducing SparkMaker, an affordable desktop SLA 3D printer for everyone. SparkMaker is designed as a plug-and-play, standalone printer. Start printing is super easy. Just download the design file from computer to an SD card. Insert it to SparkMaker with resin filled. Press the button and you are all set. During the printing, an LED light will keep you updated about the status, and a UV protective translucent cover to avoid any damage from the circumstance. The printing area is 102 by 125 millimeters, with a 0.1 millimeter XY resolution and a Z resolution up to 0.02 millimeters. After printing, simply take off the top and grab your finished product. SparkMaker comes with 5 types of resins for different objects you want to create. And with the 5 types of color paste, you can print any color you want. If you don't want to get messed with the typical resins, we also provide a special resin that can be cleaned by water directly. No matter you are an artist, designer, or hobbyist, you will be able to create high-quality 3D printed objects with SparkMaker. SparkMaker comes with a free and easy-to-use software to design your own objects. Or you can just use existing 3D models from our library. We believe that the future of 3D printing relies on making it available for everyone. We tap the top engineering, 3D printing, and industrial design talent to create SparkMaker. Our team has been working on 3D printer manufacturing for years, and we are confident to introduce SparkMaker to everybody to see what you will create with it. So join us, and let's start creating.